Today on the Left Pedal, we're going to be showing you a few easy tips on how to make your car faster. Alright, so the two quickest ways to be faster is to make more power or lose some weight. You and I are both broke, so it's time to lose some weight.
Another way to make your car faster is just to go ahead and take your engine out. It's weight reduction, bro.
Air conditioning uses power. Your engine needs that power. Turn that shit off.
Everybody knows gas makes a car go. But premium gas, that'll make a car go faster.
Another way is just to roll down a hill. Simple as that.
Alright, so we all know stickers add horsepower, so stick as many of those on there as you can and reap the benefits.